Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. First, let's open settings on your device and then go to the security and privacy menu. In this menu, you're gonna have to navigate to more security settings, then select secure folder here and tap continue. Then you're gonna have to sign in using your Samsung account. I'm just gonna use a quick sign in with Google. Accept terms and conditions. You can turn on customization service, which is optional, and the rest of the permissions are also optional. So you can either check the circles next to them or not. Basically, either way, all you have to select is terms and conditions, and then you can agree and proceed to the following steps. Then let me proceed by entering a two-step verification code. And once you're signed into your Samsung account, let's give this secure folder permission to use the data from the smartphone, and then wait until the secure folder is created. After that, you're gonna have to protect your secure folder either using a PIN, password, or pattern, or biometrics, or both. So you can, for example, set up a pattern for your secure folder. Continue. Confirm. And then let's also set up a fingerprint lock for conveniency. So tap OK, register, then proceed adding the fingerprint by pressing this moving circle and lifting your fingertip up whenever the circle is filled with green color. Then tap done, and then if you want to allow a lock reset with your Samsung account, then switch this toggle to the right in case you ever lose access to your secure folder. Tap next, and then select one of the two options, either to close all apps while locked, or allow background activity for the applications inside this folder while it's locked. Tap next, and then tap done. And here is your secure folder. You can add more applications here by tapping the plus icon and selecting applications from your smartphone, and you can access it from your apps menu. Let's just go to the Samsung, and then here we'll be able to not in Samsung, it won't be available in the Samsung folder, but instead we can find it on the list of applications. And if I lock my smartphone and then unlock it and then try to access the secure folder, I'm gonna have to use either a pattern or a fingerprint to unlock it. And so that's how you set up a secure folder on your Samsung device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.